What's up guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we're finally going to pick up some parts for the wagon. We're heading up to Sydney yet again. We've got a bunch of parts that we need to pick up. Pretty much most of the top end build, hopefully the blower and the manifold. Then we can actually start mocking stuff up. But first, while I've got your attention, all the Flex of the Month stickers, they're just about to go out. We got them just here. These are just about to go out. And then just as well, we've listened to you guys. A lot of you guys have said that you wanted to buy a smaller sticker. Same design, smaller sticker. So what we have made is smaller stickers. So I had a little bit left over the Flex of the Month material, so I decided to make up a bunch of them. So we've got these for sale now on the website. Selling these for $5 with free shipping. These things are freaking so cool because they're just so small and so perfect, and they're really satisfying to look at. So they're perfect to fit on your phone case. I've got one on the back of my phone right now. I know Indy's got one on the back of hers. Already got a couple mates with them on the back of their phones. So if you want to grab these, we're not just gonna have them in these. We're gonna have them in every color that we've got pretty much. So I'm gonna put those up tonight, well now pretty much. So if you're watching this video, they're live on the website right now. Go grab yourself some smaller stickers because I know you guys have been asking for them. Alrighty, let's jump in the car and let's head to Sydney. Alrighty guys, so at the moment we are heading back up to Sydney yet again, heading to APM. Today we're picking up the blower, picking up the manifold, picking up the cam, picking up all the goodies. So we can finally get underway and begin this build because I'm so freaking keen. Well, we won't be starting the build just yet, we'll be mocking it up, but still, that's just as fun, just as exciting. So instead of boring you with the trip that I'm doing at the moment on the road with Indy, I'm pretty much probably just gonna jump straight to APM, where we're picking up all the goodies. All right, I'll see you in a sec. All right, so we finished at APM, but sadly, really sadly, we can't pick up the blower today, which breaks my heart because that's what I really wanted today. But they're still waiting for the snout to come, and they want to make sure that they can measure it with the manifold and the snout, that it's going to actually fit before they give it to us. So they are doing the right thing, but it just sucks they wanted it today. But we still got some goodies. We got the cam, other good bits. So we're not leaving empty-handed, but it sucks that we're not getting the main things, the cool things. So at least we got this to start off with. All right, now we head back to Canberra. Alrighty, so we're heading back now. I'm still excited that we got the cam for the rolls, got all the good stuff that we need for the top end. But we're not doing that just yet. Like just this second. That will be done in a week or two. The main thing I wanted was the manifold and the blower. So I'm extremely devastated that we came to Sydney for the blower and the manifold and we're left without it. But like I said, they're doing the right thing. So they're making sure it fits, making sure it all works before they give it to the customer. They're doing the right thing. I'm just impatient and I want it now. But I mean, they said that it could literally be here this afternoon, but we do not have the time to wait around for it. So hopefully we have it by Friday. Like that's all I can really say. Hopefully we've got it for Friday's vlog. But yet again, we're just cruising home now. So I'll pick this up when we get back home. We'll go through some of the goodies that we did get to bring home because I'm still excited on those. All right, I'll catch you in a sec. So now that we're home, I actually want to dive in and look at the goodies that we do actually have, because we do have some top names here with some of the best stuff that you can buy. So I'm hella keen to get into this. So we'll start off with the big boy cam. It's a Howard's cam, and she looks like a nice big boy. So of course it's kind of a bit hard to tell, and I'm not going to take it out of this blue wrapper because I just wanted to stay as clean as possible and perfect until it goes in. So there's no point in me taking it out, just to have a quick little look at it. So we'll sit that here. Now I don't know too much about cam specs and everything like that, but I've been told that it is a pretty hefty cam. Now obviously that it's going in a blown setup, it kind of has to be a big cam, but I am hella keen to hear this thing have a fat chop. So next thing, ARP head studs and bolts and everything like that. Packing, lubricant, some other bits. Ooh, look at them bad boys. Now it's really dark in there, so you can't really see, but got all the nice bits in there. Hella keen for those. Again, we'll leave that like that, just so that it's not gonna get dirty. So we'll leave that there. And we've got our springs. Some hefty boys. They look so good. with some other supporting pieces. Nice, nice, nice. Got our rollers. They're housed as well. Some real good boys. Then we've got a single row timing chain. We were going to go double row timing chain, but it seems we're going a stock bottom end. If anything's going to go first, it's going to be a rod. So this is going to be more of an overkill. I don't think we're going to kick a leg out of bed, but if we do, like I'm just saying, that's the weakest part of the whole system now. So there's no point going massively overkill, because if this is going to go, then a rod's already long gone anyways. Then we got a Mellings Performance Oil Pump. So I've heard of plenty of boys that have gone with stock bottom ends and stuff like that. And when you're not feeding 50 pounds of boost through and everything, they're assembled really well. And I know that our engine's in really good condition, so I believe that it'll last a while. But the main things you need to keep up with is cooling and oil pressure, and good oil pressure. So we've got ourselves a really good oil pump, and we'll also take care of the cooling to make sure that it is also supporting with everything we're doing. But yeah, so we got one of these bad boys, because these are the best in the business from what I heard. So this should definitely supply enough oil for what we're trying to do. I would open it, but the box is all glued together and stuff, and that's just like a bit of a headfuck, so I don't want to do that. Alrighty, so now that we've got these goodies here, this is when, that's pretty much the top end, most of it done anyways. I know it sucks that we didn't get the manifold and the blower to dummy fit it today. I'm not gonna guarantee you, I'm gonna try and promise you that I will have it for Friday. I'm gonna try as hard as I freaking can, even if I've got to go to Sydney for a third time this week. I just wanted so bad to mock it up. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I know like it's just picking up some stuff, but sometimes that's just how it goes. We don't get to do all the stuff that we wanna do, but again, it's out of our control because they decided to do it properly, to make sure that it's gonna be perfect for us, make sure it's gonna fit and work. So you can't be mad. They're literally doing the best thing for us. They're keeping the car in mind, the build in mind, and making sure it's going to work. So you can't be mad in that. I'm literally just impatient and I want it now. But in the next video, hopefully we've got that first mock-up and we've got all the cool stuff. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next one, Friday, 6 p.m. I'll catch you then guys. Peace.
I've been thugging, you bitching and bugging, there's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat, I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay, I'm